Hey everybody, Luke Gordon here, and in this video I'm going to show you two very basic, simple ways to do rotator cuff isometric exercises. So we're going to specifically be doing external rotation, which is when your shoulder moves out away from your body, and then internal rotation. So all you really need for this exercise, and by the way, this is a great place to start if you're just trying to get your rotator cuff muscle used to engaging and contracting before you progress on to other more active types of strengthening, which I'll tell you about later in the video. So again, all you really need for this is a wall, something to push out against. The starting position for both of these exercises is basically just with your arm out in front of you, neutral. So relaxed here in your shoulders, not scrunched up, just nice and relaxed, neutral posture with your head and your neck, and your arm is basically just tucked at your side. You can also add a little towel roll here for comfort if you'd like, or a little exercise ball. It's a good spot too. But again, just keep it really simple. Arm neutral with your hand pointing forward, so it's just 90 degrees out from your body. And then all you're going to need to do is find something to push out against for the first one. So I've got kind of a corner wall here. What I would do then is face forward towards the wall here, and then I'm going to set my wrist on the side of the wall. That way I can push out into the wall. So the wall is stopping me from rotating my arm out. This is external rotation, so I'm contracting the majority of my rotator cuff muscles, so supraspinatus, infraspinatus, teres minor, those ones that you'll often see on an MRI that have like a tendinopathy or a tendinosis. So again, there's a comfortable contraction here. I'm going to push out usually just for about 5 seconds or so when I'm new with these, and I'm just applying as much pressure as I can handle in a pain-free zone. So I'll push out comfortable contraction for about 5 seconds, do about 5 reps if they're new to me, and then I'll progress that over the coming days and weeks. So that's external rotation. To do internal rotation then, all I would need to do, if I want to do my right arm, is basically just flip around or find a different wall. So now, let's say with my left arm, now the wall is here, and it's on the inside of my wrist. My arm is still neutral. It's still straightforward, 90 degrees off from my body, and now I'm just pushing inwards towards the wall. Same parameters, just hold about 5 seconds or so. Nice comfortable posture with your shoulders. Hold that for 5 seconds, do about 5 reps. So that's, again, early on, we're just trying to get the rotator cuff muscles to engage, and later on we'll do more active strengthening. Rotator cuff isometrics are a really good place to start. Once a day is a great place to start. Transition to twice a day if you can. I'm going to link a video above here too if you're looking for more of the overall progression. How do I progress from a gentle isometric and then into like active strengthening with a resistance band, and then maybe even further down the line to a more aggressive type of strengthening like eccentric strengthening, which is really important for the tendinosis type issues, rotator cuff tendinosis, supraspinatus tendinosis. That video should be up above here. I'll link it to the end of the video as well, and that should help you just kind of navigate pain-free strengthening. It's very important that when you're trying to strengthen the rotator cuff, it's in a pain-free manner, and then you build off of that so you're not making things worse in the process. So that's the video. Hope that helps you with your shoulder pain. Questions and comments, leave them below, please, and don't forget to like and subscribe before you go. Thanks for watching.